Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a massive career opportunity for mid to senior level engineers. We're going to literally break down the ideal candidate blueprint for the upcoming ASM Technologies walk-in drive. So if you're a mechanical or design engineer, you're absolutely going to want to pay close attention to this one. Okay, let's dive right in and figure out if your specific skill set makes you the perfect puzzle piece for this Fixture Design Engineer role. Finding the right fit in specialized engineering is really all about matching your real-world, hands-on capabilities to exactly what a company needs right now.
Here's the game plan for this explainer. We'll be looking at the ASM Technologies opportunity, required education and experience, core fixture design skills, lifting and handling expertise, and finally, the walk-in drive logistics.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the ASM Technologies opportunity. ASM is actively hunting for dedicated, expert fixture design engineers. And what makes this super compelling is where these roles are located. We're talking about open positions based right in Chennai and Bangalore, literally two of the most vibrant tech and manufacturing hubs out there. They want folks ready to jump right into those fast-paced environments.
Moving right along to Section 2, required education and experience.
Now let's be clear, this is definitely not an entry-level gig. ASM is strictly looking for battle-tested engineers. You need to have anywhere from 5 to 15 years of solid, relevant industrial experience under your belt. They need pros who already know their way around complex manufacturing floors and can just hit the ground running.
To even get in the door, there are two main educational pathways you can take. On one hand, a traditional bachelor's degree in mechanical or production engineering works perfectly. But on the flip side, ASMA also really respects specialized, hands-on training. So a post-diploma or diploma in tool engineering is great as long as it's from recognized top-tier institutes like NTTF, GTT, or CITD.
But here's the real kicker. If you've spent those 5 to 15 years specifically working in the heavy equipment manufacturing industry, well, your application is going to shoot straight to the top of the pile. General fixture experience is awesome, for sure. But that heavy equipment background tells ASM that you totally get the massive scale, the high stresses, and the unique design constraints they deal with every single day.
Up next, Section 3, core fixture design skills.
You absolutely must have a rock-solid, inside-out understanding of GD&T. This isn't just a nice-to-have on your resume. It is the non-negotiable framework for everything you'll do. They expect you to use GD&T for precise fixture manufacturing, rigorous tool validation, and guaranteeing that absolutely every fixture meets strict quality benchmarks before it ever reaches the floor.
And your day-to-day work is going to cover the entire operational progression. We're talking Step 1, fabrication, moving into Step 2, precision machining, Step 3, complex assembly, right on through to Step 4, the final testing operations. You really need to own that entire life cycle from start to finish.
Oh, and one more absolutely crucial thing, no matter how great your concepts are, mandatory proficiency in Creo CAD software is required. That is the tool you'll use to bring all these designs to life. ASM is a Creo shop, so you need to be fluent in it from day one. No exceptions.
All right, let's look at Section 4, lifting and handling expertise. Because, this job is about a lot more than just stationary parts. You also need to bring proven design experience for safely moving heavy materials around the floor. That means designing custom lifting tools, comprehensive material handling systems, pallets, and even creating efficient kit design solutions to make the manufacturing and assembly operations run super smoothly.
Finally, Section 5, walk-in drive logistics.
I highly recommend taking a quick screenshot of this right now because it's got all the details you need to execute. The drive is happening on July 11th, 2026 from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. You'll want to head to RV Forms and Gears LLP. That's in the Sidco Industrial Estate in Guindy, Chennai. And if you have any questions before you go, Priya Naik's direct contact info, including her email and phone number, is right there for you.
So we've completely mapped out the blueprint. If you've got the Creo skills, the GD&T mastery, those 5 to 15 years of experience, especially with heavy equipment, and a knack for fixture and lifting tool design, well, the only question left to answer is this. Are you ready to take that massive step in your engineering career and walk through those doors on July 11th?